ChatGPT, the hottest topic these days. It created a lot of opportunities, saved a lot of time, and made our life a bit easier. You just have to go to ChatGPT, ask question, and it return a good answer. Yesterday on March 1st, they have introduced ChatGPT API, and today in this video, I will teach you how to use it without code and how as a blogger you can use it to do programmatic SEO and a lot of things you will learn in this video. So let's get started. To get it work, we need bulk of keywords because we can do manual blogging without the help of API with just using the ChatGPT. But to use the API to get the most use of API, we need the keywords in bulk for programmatic SEO also. So for that, let's go to Google and I'll show you the example of dog's breed because I am good in that niche also. And you can use it in your own niche. I'll go with dog niche and we'll first let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to give some popular dog breeds and let's see what are the popular or frequent questions the breed and let's ask from ChatGPT also and Google also to get some keyword research idea. Labrador, how to train, how to groom, how to breed, how to buy. So I'll pick two keywords from here: how to train, and I'll put it here. And I'll take one more question: how to groom, how to groom. I'll share this sheet with you in link in description. The sheet is integrated with ChatGPT API, so you don't have to code anything. You just have to give your OpenAPI key here in B1 in settings, in this settings sheet. Just go to sheet 1 again and put your two questions here. You can do it for 3, 4, 5, 6, any number of questions you want. I'm just using two questions for the example part. Now let's copy the dog breeds and we can use these questions also. I'm stopping in the meeting. This was just to show you the how you can use it. I'll create one more column here, breeds, and paste all the breeds here. And I'll concatenate it with like this, how to train, and we'll get all the questions here. I'm just using this simple formula equal to how to train and P2, and I will do it for this also, equal to how to groom, space, and E2. Enter and done. Now we got the list of keywords here. Is now the part of it's time to get the answer from ChatGPT. Equal to ChatGPT parentheses and first question, enter. We got the first answer. Let's do it for all. And let's do it. We got question and answer for all of the breeds. Let's do it for second one. Equal to ChatGPT and how to train, how to groom. Done. Double click. Sorry. Double click. Or will start to answer all of the questions in your sheet. Now your Google Sheet is ready with question and answer, or you can say keyword and the content. Now select all, copy, Command C, and paste it Command Shift V, so that these value will save. Now just file, download it as CSV. Now we got our CSV here. Go to your WordPress, install this plugin WP All Import. Let me show you the plugin. This plugin, WP All Import. I'll share its link also in the description. After activating it, click on New Import. Upload a file, ChatGPT. Step 2. Continue step 3. And you can create any title here using the breeds. Like I did for 2 questions, and I'm answering the popular question, so I can give the title as breed facts. Everything you need to know about. You can create a title accordingly, according to your niche. Question 1, answer 1. Question 2, and answer 2. Put the questions in subheading. H2, review, and your posts are ready. Dismiss. Taxonomies, categories, and put the breeds name here, so that when you create new posts for different breeds, you will get the options to internal link. Other post options, you can randomize the dates, post slug. I'm using just breed name. FAQs. Continue step 4. Unique identifier. Continue. Run import. And within few seconds, your 10 posts, that is the number of rows in your Google CSV, are published. You can see the posts here. Visual FAQs, boxer FAQs. How to train a visuals, target training, complete answer. How to groom, complete answer. How to train, complete answer. How to groom, complete answer. Similarly, you can do it in any niche. You just need a bulk of keywords. And I would suggest you to use the keywords in single niche, so that you will gain the topical relevancy, topical authority, so that you can rank without the help of backlinks, and you won't need much off page. You can just go to Ahrefs or any of the keyword research tool, so the keywords filtered by the KD or any mechanism there for low competition keywords, and you are good to go. You just need a list of thousands of keywords, and you can get the sheet to answer all of the questions. I will share this link to get the Google Sheet from here. This is free, but if you want, you can give some, support. But it's free, completely free for you. So let's automate and chill. That's all for this. See you next video. Bye.